Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good morning Dr. Venny Eka Mandasari, SPD M.Hum, the lecturer of public speaking for scientific purpose. I am Tuhu with personal student number 2202474799015. At this occasion, I am excited to share a topic that we often see but may not always pay attention to. The topic is reading and understanding labels. The outline of my presentation is first, the purpose of the presentation. Second, why reading and understanding labels important. Third, definition of labels. Fourth, types of labels. Fifth, parts of label. Six, differences among all labels. 7, tips on how to read and understand labels. And 8, summary. The purpose of my presentation is to fulfill midterm take-home test, to develop communication skill, to understand labels deeply, to avoid risk and danger in consuming or using product. Why reading and understanding labels are important? Because it helps us, our wallet, our value, and our health. Next, we step to the definition of label. Label is any written, printed, or graphic information attached to a product or its packaging that provide essential details about the item. Labels are used in many industries, such as food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and chemicals, to inform, guide, and protect consumers. Types of labels. Food and drink labels show nutrition fact, serving size, ingredient, expiry date, and allergens. Pharmaceutical labels include drug name, dosage direction, side effects, and storage info. Chemical labels display hazard symbol, safety instruction, and chemical composition. Cosmetic labels provide ingredient lists, usage tips, shelf life, and manufacturer info. And the last one, clothing labels list size, fabric type, washing instruction, and origin. Parts of food and drink labels. Important information of food and drink labels are as follows. Date marking. This is used by, sell by, and the best used before date. Then product name, usually beside the brand name. Next, net weight. This gives the actual weight of the food, excluding the packaging. Then, ingredient list. They show all the ingredients that make up the product. And then, nutrition information. This panel shows the nutrients found in one serving or in 100 gram or 100 milliliter of the food. Next, usage instruction. These are instructions for storing or using the product. And the last is manufacturer details. Parts of pharmaceutical labels, there are at least 7 points that seems to be important. The first one is drug facts. Read carefully and understand the active ingredient, purpose, and drug facts. Second, uses. Read carefully and understand the use of the product or the drug. In this sample, the drug is intended for several aches, and it is used temporarily release minor aches and pains due to the common cold, minor pain, muscular aches, premenstrual and menstrual cramps, headache, backache, and toothache. Temporarily reduce fever. Don't forget to read the warnings. Read carefully and understand before consuming the drug. Liver warning: this product contains acetaminophen. Several liver damage may occur if you take, etc. The next important information is about direction. Don't take more than the directed. See overdose warning. Adults and children 12 years and over take 2 tablets every 6 hours while symptoms last. Do not take more than 6 tablets in 24 hours unless directed by doctor. Don't use more than 10 days unless directed by a doctor. For children under 12 years, ask a doctor. There are still 3 information. The first is how to store. This drug is stored at the temperature of 20 until 25 degrees Celsius. And there are also inactive ingredients such as Calmobawex, Comstar. And the last, if you have any question or comments, you can contact the number 1-800-791-9260. These are essential information for pharmaceutical label. Next, we step to the parts of chemical label. Parts of chemical labels are as follows. The first is product identifier. Here the name is ammonia. There is a signal word, danger. It means that the product is danger for consumer. Then hazard statement. Toxic if ingested, wash hand thoroughly after handling. Keep container tightly closed when not in use. Keep away from heat, spark, and open flames. May explode when exposed to high heat. The fourth information is precautionary statement. If swallowed, immediately call poison control or doctor or physician. Drink water or milk to dilute ammonia. The next information is supplier information. The manufacturer is ABC Chemical, 123 Main Street, Cincinnati, 08 www.abccham.com. The contact number is 800 733 5252. The last information is pictograms. There are three kinds of pictograms. The first one means that the product is flammable. The second is this product dangerous. And the third pictogram means that this product is corrosive. Let's step to parts of cosmetic label. In cosmetic labels, there are several parts. The first one is application. The second, precaution. The third, ingredient list. The fourth, period after opening. The fifth, responsible person, name and address. The fifth, batch number, and the last, country of origin. The last part of label is clothing labels. Clothing labels have four parts. The first one is fabric content. From this sample, it can be stated that this cloth is made of 80% cotton and 20% cashmere. The second one is wash and care instruction. From this picture, it can be read that this product should gentle cycle wash, and it is not allowed to bleach, and we should dry it flat. And the last one, if we want to iron, it is suggested on low heat. The third information about country of origin. This product is made of, or it is made in USA. And the last information, other information such as size, style number, branding, etc. There are also differences among all labels. From this label, we can analyze that nutrition info is only available in food and drink. Ingredients almost available in all of labels except clothing. Dosage instruction is not available in food and drink, and also is not available in clothing. Hazard pictogram is only available in chemical label. Washing and care symbol is only washing and care symbol almost all available in labels but not in clothing. Allergen warning is not available in chemical and clothing. Period after opening is only available in cosmetic. Volume net content is available in all kinds of label, usually in units such as gram, milligram, tablets, liter, size, and others. Now we move to tips on how to read and understand labels. First, always check serving size. Second, don't be fooled by buzzword. 3. Compare similar product. And for drugs, follow instruction carefully and consult pharmacist if unsure. Now we move to the summary. Reading and understanding label, we should follow the following instruction. First, check the product name and type. Understand what the product is and its purpose. Read the ingredient list. Look out for allergens, additives, and unwanted substances. Understand the nutrition fact for food products. Pay attention to serving size, calories per serving, fats, carbohydrates, sugar, fiber, protein, vitamins, and mineral. Look at present tension daily values. Look at present daily values help you know if a product is low or high in nutrient. 5% or less low. More than 20% is high. Read usage instructions, especially important for medicine, supplement, and cleaning product. Follow dosage, timing, and method of use. Pay attention to warning and caution. Includes side effect, storage rules, and who should avoid the product. Check expiration always before date. Ensure the product is safe and effective to use. The last, note manufacturer and contact information. Final message, labels are tools. Know how to use them. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. I will say by saying wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.